Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best drill brush sets in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Drill Brush Automotive Soft White Drill Brush, Leather Cleaner, Car Wash Kit, Car Cleaning Supplies, Wheel Cleaner Brush, Car Detailing Kit, Car Carpet, Interior, Vinyl, Seat Cleaner. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Now you can enjoy hassle-free cleaning with this soft bristle brush set for drills set by Drill Brush. The 4-piece cleaning and detailing kit includes 4 different sized and shaped brushes for cleaning and washing automobiles. It has soft bristles for scratch-free scrubbing and cleaning. The brushes of this automotive brush set for drills come with rugged steel shafts with a 1/4 inch of quick change attachment for instant change components. This kit helps scrub and clean various surfaces, including painted rims, wheels of cars, trucks, motorbikes, clear-coated rims, chrome, magnesium, and aluminum. For a thorough review of the product, have a look at this YouTuber's video. Number 4. Cross MF Drill Brush Set, Ultimate Drill Brush Attachment Set. Scrub Brush for Drill, Drill Brush, Drill Power Scrubber Brush Kit, Household Cleaning Brushes, Bathroom, Kitchen, Automotive. The Cross MF Drill Brush Set is a comprehensive cleaning solution for various surfaces, including tiles, grout, and bathroom fixtures. This nylon brush set for drills includes 3 different size brushes that attach to any standard drill for easy scrubbing. Made of high-quality, durable nylon bristles, the brushes of this grout brush set for drills are long-lasting and keep your surfaces squeaky clean. Suitable for both wet and dry applications, the brush set helps you to clean even the toughest of dirt and grime easily. The holican 30-piece drill brush attachment set provides a comprehensive cleaning solution for a variety of surfaces and objects. Number 3. AstroEye Drill Brush Attachment Set, 6-pack Power Scrubber Cleaning Kit with extend for car detailing, bathroom surfaces, kitchen, shower, car wheels, seats, tile, floor, grout all-purpose, yellow. AstroEye's household cleaning brush sets for drills contain different shaped brushes, enabling you to clean different surfaces. Featuring bristles made of high-quality nylon, these brushes can clean all the tough stains without damaging the surface underneath. The Power Scrubber brush set includes a flat brush, a round brush, and a small triangular brush to help you clean your floors, kitchen, carpets, bathtubs, and even cars. Moreover, these brushes are compatible with almost all kinds of drills, removing the need to get a specific one for cleaning. Number 2. Drill Brush Boat Accessories, Kayak Cleaning Kit, Boat Drill Brush Set, Marine Scrub Brush Attachment for Drill, Rotary Cleaning Brushes for Boats by Drill Brush Power Scrubber by Useful Products. The Useful Products Drill Brush Set is great for cleaning residue off your boats, kayaks, marine equipment, hot tubs, and swimming pools. With 3 differently sized and shaped brush heads of varying stiffness, you can easily clean pond scum, algae, oily residue, and oxidation. Every brush has a 1/4 inch quick change shaft that is compatible with all cordless drills and impact drivers. You can also use the kit for cleaning wheels, carpets, kitchens, steps, grills, and more. Number 1. Clea Zillow ID Drill Brush Set Attachment Kit Pack of 3. All-purpose power scrubber cleaning set for grout, tiles, sinks, bathtub, bathroom, and kitchen surface. Drill not included. Clea Zillow ID Drill Brush Power Scrubber is a game-changing cleaning accessory that will transform the way you tackle your cleaning needs. It is designed to take the hassle out of cleaning and make it quicker and more effective. This drill brush attachment set delivers outstanding cleaning results on any surface with minimal effort. Its powerful performance, coupled with the rotational force of any cordless drill, means you can say goodbye to tedious manual scrubbing and hello to sparkling clean surfaces in no time. It can be used on any surface without any worry. You can use CleanZoid for car wash and cleaning your car seats. It can be used as a tire cleaner, car interior cleaner, car carpet brush, car leather cleaner, Drill brush car detailing, car upholstery cleaner, and car shampooer. It can be used as detailing brushes for cars. Our product works very effectively indoors.